What's up, guys? We are back on the Triton bottom rehab. We started this project Monday by getting it off the trailer and getting it up on dunnage and getting the loose Gelcoat off of it. And since then, that's 3 coats and 3 sandings with the total boat, total finish. And then we've sanded the entire rest of the bottom with 150 grit sandpaper, and we've taped it off. And now it's time to start mixing the Gator base and get it on the boat. So y'all stick around. Well, that's 2 coats. Nathan and I are dead. Gotta go mix up some more because we got 3 more coats to go. But the boat's starting to look great. Nathan's finishing up the bottom right now. And it is slick. Super slick. Alright guys, we're gonna mix some more and put the other coats on it. Y'all stick around. Alright guys, there you go. 5 coats on the wear surfaces, 4 coats on the rest of it, but had to pull the tape. I have to retape it before we put the G2 Glide on top. This is the Gator base in anchor color. And I like that color. I should have gotten this color for the finish, but I got the black for the G2 top coat, which I'll put on in 3 days after this has had ample cure time. But I think it looks great. I'm exhausted. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.